Users and group management can be accessed under the Admin section. Existing users are listed in table format. Users that have been deactivated can be viewed by checking the Show Inactive box. Note the column that identifies the status of each user. To reactivate Jackie, click on the last name and click Reactivate in the top right corner. A new password is generated and emailed to the user. In the event that a user is unable to find the invite email, the temporary password is displayed for admin users until the app user logs in, or you can click the Send Invite button to generate and email a new password. To delete a user, click Delete. We recommend deactivating users unless there is no doubt of their permanent absence. To deactivate a user, simply click Deactivate. To create a user, click Add New. Decide the license type, then enter their email address. Provide a first and last name. Indicate whether the user should have access to the web portal. Checking the box will allow access only to areas that you specify under the access and security settings. Set the country and time zone. External IDs and metadata can be assigned at the user level. The sections below allow folder assignment and group memberships. Click Create User. The user's status will display as invited until they log into the portal or app. For bulk actions, select multiple users and click Manage. All selected users' passwords can be reset, deleted from the platform, or deactivated in one action. If you have many users and need to view all of their attributes in a spreadsheet, click Export. To add users in bulk, click Import and download the template. Add the users to the spreadsheet and upload it back into the portal. Check the box if you would like the new users to receive an invite email showing their temporary password.